Dentists, what are your main concerns with doing composite veneers? I think composite's a beautiful material, but the worst thing about it is it's actually pretty technically difficult to do well. Some people are worried about it staining and chipping, and I'm here to tell you that most of those things are myths. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about myths around composite veneers and why some of the things you believe about them are actually not true. People think, well, it's going to chip or break. It might stain. It causes gingivitis, or it's not as aesthetic as porcelain. I say all of these things are not true and don't need to be true. I have done almost 7,000 composite veneers, maybe more than almost anybody in the United States, and I've actually never had one fully break. I have had some chips, but they've been very, very minimal, and I'll show you in my course why that's true. The features of a halo veneers are they are thick on the incisal edge. They have an air-inhibited layer at the gum line to make sure that they are non-inflammatory. 0-degree margins. They're basically like a knife edge margin, so they're very, very clean. Great aesthetics, sometimes better than porcelain in many cases. Nano-hybrid strong composites at the points of functions, and micro-hybrid or microfill composites on the lustrous surfaces, so they look beautiful. And they're highly color stable because what you think about composite is that it stains. Those are old composites or composites that are supposed to be used only posterior. True veneering composites can stay color stable for a very long time. So these are the reasons I love composite veneers and why I think that many of the myths that you may even have about composite veneers may not be true. So doctors that can do this type of work are in huge demand right now because patients don't want to drill down their teeth for veneers, and this can be done on many more cases than you can do a no prep or printed veneer on. That's why halo veneers have been so popular, and that's why I think it's a skill set that if you learn, you can be in high demand in your community. If you want to learn more about this, please follow this page or join me for one of my hands-on courses.